Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark switch harness in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Lift the cooktop assembly up and support it. Next, pull all 5 spark switches off of the valves. Release the wires from the right side retainers. Disconnect the wire connector to fully release the old spark switch harness. Make sure to prevent the connector from slipping behind the rear access panel. Install the new spark switch harness by first connecting the wire connector. Snap the spark switches on their respective burner valves. Secure the wires using the right side retainers. Remove the support and lower the cooktop assembly. Thread and tighten the 2 front screws. Insert the gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.